1000 count 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, medicine cup made from strong polypropylene with easy-to-read measurements, 10 sleeves, 100 cups per sleeve. Perfect for mixing small and precise amounts of liquid with easy-to-read laboratory-grade measurements. A thin lip and flexible cup make it perfect for pouring and drinking. Ideal for taking pills, small amounts of liquid or powder medicine, paints, or oils. Great for use in cooking or baking. All cups come with a clear plastic design that features engraved, easy-to-read measurements in cc, ml, drams, tbs, ts and fl. Oz. A great tool for measuring medicine and a variety of other liquids. 1000 count 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, medicine cup made from strong polypropylene with easy-to-read measurements, 10 sleeves, 100 cups per sleeve. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. I absolutely recommend these for any tumbler maker who is using epoxy. These are super sturdy and not flimsy at all. I know tumbler makers look for nice strong cups to measure and mix their epoxy, and if I could give this product more than 5 stars I most definitely would. I am happy to keep purchasing these in the future and a great value for the money which was well spent.